early. That's a good powwow. So it's still early here at Fort Bears. All right. Once again, come on out. Fort Petsu has a song ready for these junior men's chicken. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finals. But we're going to be asking these dancers to come through 12 o'clock grand entry. So once again, want to make sure that make sure the numbers are, here we go. Once again, we're going to make sure that there's no ties. So come through grand entry tomorrow, kind of help us out, and then we'll keep you posted on how we do it. All right, we're going to hold up just a second, make sure the singing judges are ready to go, and also we're going to give plenty of time for these dancers to make their way. They're dancing to some good music, and they're dancing for some good money. Here we go. Fort Petsu contest time. Put your hands together for these dancers. They're giving it their all, and they're competing here at